Saddleback leather is so much more than just a leather product. And that's what I would tell people to understand, is there's a lot more that Dave and Suzette are giving in their lives to the rest of the world than just leather products. And I think that's what I tell people to if they come, that's what they'll understand. There's so much more to Saddleback leather than just leather.
Dave here with Saddleback Leather, and those who join the Saddleback Club get to come on a leather tour. So we're going to go through the factory, we're going to go through a tannery, and then we're going to come here to beautiful Guanajuato, and it's one of the most beautiful cities in North America. It is incredible. You're going to love it.
I don't know how, there's no way to put it into words. It's very much an experience to be here, and being here has just been an experience of a lifetime. It really has been. It's been a tremendous time just over a couple days.
Well, the highlight of my whole trip was the school, because it's just amazing what they've done there and the impact they're making. I grew up in a daycare center, so it really reminded me of how I grew up, and the little kids there are just fabulous.
Wow! Thank you. Hi, you guys.
And also, in every page there is a Bible verse.
This is my first trip, my first passport, and my first time leaving the U.S. So for me, I didn't really know what to expect. It has been overwhelming and fascinating and inspiring. There's so much culture here, but just seeing how things are actually made and the production of what is done, and then touring the tannery to see how the leather is actually produced is absolutely just fascinating to me. If you are a Saddleback member or follow Saddleback, I think you will find how incredible it is to see what it takes to actually make a product that you've purchased.
The factory, the school, the tannery, it's like nothing I expected. Nothing at all. All three of them, much larger than I expected. The school especially, seeing just that philanthropy that they give back to the community around them. And hearing as well that it's their workers' children that they bring in as well. That was touching in a beautiful way. And just the overall experience here in just a couple days has been overwhelming, and it truly has been something I'll remember for the rest of my life. Yeah, not much more to add.
If you like to watch things on TV like how it's made, you'd love this trip.
It has exceeded every expectation that I had literally thought of what it was going to be when I got here. So for me, it's just been, if you say from 0 to 10, what is it? It's a 12. It's above a 10.
Can't wait to see you.